Trading can sometimes feel unpredictable, and it is easy to get caught up in the ups and downs. That's why having a clear, straightforward strategy can make a big difference. The 357 rule is one of those strategies. It is not about complex calculations or advanced techniques. It's about making sure you secure profits steadily and reduce risk along the way. I started using the 357 rule after realizing that I was too often letting good trades slip away. Hoping for a bigger win by applying this rule, I've been able to secure profits more consistently. For example, in one trade, I set my profit targets at 3%, 5%, and 7%. As the stock rose, I took profits at each stage, which allowed me to relax and not worry about a sudden market turn. It is a straightforward approach, but it has made a big difference in how I manage my trades. I want to walk you through how this rule works and how you can start using it in your own trading. What is the 357 rule? The 357 rule is a simple approach to managing your trades. Here is how it works. As your trade gains value, you take profits at three different levels: 3%, 5%, and 7%. This method helps you lock in profits gradually, instead of waiting and hoping for a bigger win that might never come. It is way to be smart about your gains, protecting what you earned as the trade progresses. Why it works? Markets don't always move in predictable patterns. Sometimes a trade that looks promising can reverse quickly, and without a plan, it's easy to get caught off guard. The 357 rule is about being prepared. By setting those 357 profit targets, you are not just relying on hope, you are taking control of the situation. For instance, if you are in a trade and it reaches a 3% gain, taking a bit of a profit there means you already secured something, no matter what happens next. If the trade continues to rise, great. You take more at 5% and 7%. And if it doesn't, you still walked away with gains. How to implement the 357 rule? Here is how you can start using this rule. First, plan your exits before you enter. Before making a trade, decide where your 3%, 5%, and 7% profit levels are. This isn't something to figure out on the fly. Having these targets in mind from the start helps you stay disciplined. Second, use tools to stay on track. Set up alerts or use limit orders to automatically take profits at each level. This way, you are not second guessing yourself or getting caught up in the moment. 3. Stick to the plan. It's tempting to hold out for a bigger gain, but remember why you are using the 357 rule. In the first place, it's about securing profits steadily, not gambling on an unpredictable market. The fourth is evaluate and refine. After a few trades, take some time to see how this rule is working for you. Are the percentages right for your style, or do they need a slight tweak? The key is to keep what's working and adjust what's not. The 357 rule isn't about trying to predict the market perfectly. It's about having a plan to manage your trades in a way that makes sense. It helps you take profit when they are available without getting caught up in the emotions of the moment. If you are looking for a strategy that's easy to follow and effective, give the 3-5 cent rule a try. It's a small change that could make a big difference in your trading results.